You're listening to the Bust-Proof Business Podcast, taking your business to the next level by taking you out of it. With our experience and proven results, we'll help you find the success that many crave, but only we can help you achieve. It's time to get started with your host, Greg Murphy.
Hey guys, it's Greg Murphy from bustproofbusiness.com, and I'm really pumped because we are now able to finally let you guys know about our brand new course, something that we haven't, oh boy. Hey guys, it's Greg Murphy from bustproofbusiness.com, and I'm finally ready to announce that the workshop has been a super great success. We had so many people that went through it. I think it was over 1,300 people. Is that what it ended up to be after everything was said and done? 1,350 or something like that. So lots of you guys went through the workshop. It's been really, really great, and I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys all learned a lot. And now, yesterday, I'm recording this on Tuesday, April 24th. Yesterday, we launched the Bulk Books Blueprint for people that wanted a little bit more. They wanted to go deeper. They wanted to learn more. And we've had some great success already. Lots of people are on board and are getting really excited about it. I'm getting tons of questions and Facebook messages and stuff. And I super appreciate that. If you ever want to get in touch with me, Greg at bustproofbusiness.com, you can always get in contact with me there. And I'm actually taken to responding to emails with video. I'm using this product called BombBomb, like BOMB, and it lets me reply to your guys' emails with a video. So I don't have to type, and I can just talk, and it's way easier for me to do it that way. And so I've been doing that. I've been answering some questions. One of the things that keeps coming up about it is, do we sell people like exclusive, like how do we deal with territories, right? So what if someone else is in Dayton, or what if 3 people from Milwaukee want to buy the Bulk Books Blueprint? And at first it really took me, I was like taken aback by it. It was kind of confusing because I didn't understand like why that would even come up. But then again, we always discount what we know. And I guess I just assumed that people wouldn't worry about that kind of thing, because I certainly don't. Like, it doesn't stress me out at all if people, if someone else even in my city did the same thing that we did, I wouldn't be stressed at all. I wouldn't be bothered by it, because we're buying books all over the country. We can go as far down as Atlanta, all the way out to the East Coast, up the coast. I mean, I think we've purchased from Maine before even. It just depends on the freight, right? So there's plenty of stuff to go around for everybody. So if you guys haven't yet checked it out, you can go to bustproofbusiness.com. There'll be a little link there. Also in the show notes, you'll see a link to the course and to the workshop as well. But right now, it's only going to be, so hopefully you guys are checking this out the week of the 23rd, because the Bulk Books Blueprint is no longer going to be for sale the 27th. So Friday the 27th at midnight, it is not going to be on sale anymore. It's going to go off the market, and then class is going to start Monday the 30th, which is pretty exciting. So if you guys are at all interested, you can go and check out the video to talk a lot about everything that's in the course. I don't want to go through all that stuff again. The big thing that people have been really excited about is something that I just announced in the video. Like, I just announced as we're launching the video. And what it is that it's something that we're calling I'm just looking at it right now, the Bust-Proof Book Network. Okay, and what we're doing is we're putting all the contacts that we have. It's a network of book buyers and sellers all over the country. We're working to get freight discounts, recycling pickups, and loads of books for people in the network. So we're going to be able to get books that, get the recycling that you have picked up. Hopefully we're going to be able to be competitive with rates. We actually, on the team, we have someone that's working to get their broker license, so they'll be able to work and get behind the scenes and get the discounts that the other big freight brokers are going to get, so that we'll be able to make that happen. So it's really exciting, and that's kind of one of the bonuses that you get. For the only people that are going to have access to that are going to be people that purchase the blueprint. So the Busproof Book Network is something that is pretty cool. It's certainly not me that's behind it. I could never be that organized. But we have an awesome team that is all working on it. People from the community that have been crushing it and that are great at this kind of stuff. So hopefully that's something that you guys are into. The other thing people are excited about is the outsourcing bit. That's in Module 7. I just wanted to mention that too, where we go into outsourcing the whole show so that you don't have to have a warehouse or any of that stuff too. So it's been pretty cool. If you're interested at all, just check the link in the show notes and check that out. But yeah, I just wanted to come on, make sure that those of you guys that are listening to when we put out the podcast, you might not be on Facebook all that much. Just want to make sure that we get the word out to you guys that that's happening as well. So that is about it for me today. I just wanted to check in with you guys. We're going to start doing interviews as well. And the other thing, I guess I should mention this too. We're doing some crowdcasts now. You go to busproofworkshop.com and you'll see everything that we're working on for the workshops. But yeah, we have crowdcasts. We'll put a link below in the show notes for that too. I don't know why I said below. I guess when you're listening to the podcast, it is below. I don't know. But yeah, so there'll be a link to the crowdcast as well. That's sort of where the time that I've been spending podcasting, as little of it as there was, podcasting is harder for me than doing the crowdcasts are, because I'm just like right now, I'm sitting in my office alone and like looking at my computer screen and talking to you guys. And that's kind of weird for me. There's not like feedback. There's not... I know you guys will be listening to this later, but there's nobody here with me, and it creeps me out a little bit. So that's why I might not podcast as much as I should. And anyway, that's what's going on now. The Bulk Books Blueprint launch is going on, and we're going to be next week is all about Murphy's. We're focusing on the people that purchased the course, and then I'm also focusing on building our subscription book model, which is going to be really exciting. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for everything, all your guys' support. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
That's all for this episode of the Busproof Business Podcast. Be sure to point your browser to busproofworkshop.com to sign up for our mailing list and to get your opportunity to enroll in one of our specialized seminars, guaranteeing you continued results in typical Busproof fashion. Thanks again for joining us. We look forward to taking your business to the next level right here on the Busproof Business Podcast.